Hi, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss Kali Kannada textbook for the class 2. First we have to study these letters Ra, Ga, Sa, Da, A. First picture Rasa, Garagasa, Sara, Dasara, Arasa. We can read the words Ara, Dara, Sara, Gara, Rasa. Second row Sadara, Adara, Daraga, Sarasa, Arasa. Third line Dasara, Garagasa, Sarasara, Garagara, Arasara. We have to circle the correct letter. First word Garagasa. Second word Sara. Third Dasara. Fourth Arasa. Next match the following. King means Arasa. So Garagasa. Next Dasara. Last necklace Sara. Next we can read this word Ra, Ga, Sa, Da, A. Second row Ara, Sara, Dara, Sadara, Daraga. Last row Arasa, Garagasa, Sarasara, Dasara, Garagara. Next, we are going to study the letters Ja, U, Ma, Ba, Na. The words are Jana, Uraga, Mara, Bana, Nagara. First row Jana, Uma, Bana, Naga, Mana. Second row Jama, Maja, Dana, Bara, Nara. Third row Jaga, Maga, Sama, Saja, Raja. Last row Uraga, Nagara, Amara, Udara, Sarasa. First line Namana, Madagaja, Madarasa, Nagarada Jana. Second line Mana, Janara, Banada Mara. We have to select the correct letter from the given options. First word Namana. Second Gaja. Third Uraga. Fourth Nara. Fifth word Maga. Sixth word Gagana. Last word Nayana. Match the following. First picture So Garagasa. Tree Mara. Snake Uraga. Fourth city Nagara. Next we are going to study the letters Pa, Ya, Va, Ta, Cha. First kite Patta. I Nayana. Forest Vana. Spoon Chamacha. First row we can read Jaya, Japa, Natta, Uma, Maya. Second row Pada, Naya, Gaya, Patta, Pachana. Third row Udaya, Nayana, Vachana, Chamacha, Tapa Tapa. Last row Chatta Chatta, Vatta vatta, gatta gatta, matta matta, patta patta. We can select the correct letter. We get the words Vachana. Second one, Nayana. Third, Udaya. Fourth, Pattana. And the last word, Pachana. These are the words that we have already studied. So you can fill the letter here. We get the words like Arasa, Dasara, Chamacha, Gagana. Second row, Udaya, Asa, Patta, Madagaja. Third row, Uraga, Nagara, Nayana, Garagasa. First word, Arasara. Second, Dasarada, Madagaja, Udayada, Samaya, Rasamaya. Here we have to write the words having the letter Ra. So we can write Nagara, Amara, Udara, Sarasa, Sara, Mara, Janara, Raja, Uraga. Next we are going to study the letters La, Da, E, U, Ka. First, the male elephant Salaga, Kadaga, Ina, Uta, Karaga. Now we can read the words. First row, Jala, Ina, Uta, Kada, Kada. Second row, Lava, Kacha, Una, Laya, Kara. Third row, Bala, Kadana, Udaka, Kadaja, Kadaga. Fourth row, Agala, Karaga, Laka Laka, Kala Kala, Katta Katta. Filling the blanks. First word, Salaga. Second word, Uta. Third, Kadana. Last word, Tabala. Here we have to write the words having the particular letter. First letter, La. The word which contains La is lava. Next letter, Da. Kadaga. Third letter, E. Ina. U. Uta. Last letter, Ka. Three words are there. Kadaga, Kada, Karaga. Next, we can read these words. First row. Uta, Kada, Laya, Dada. Second row. Ina, Nara, Kasa, Jana. Third row. Charaka, Kadana, Nayana, Vadana. Fourth row, Samaya, Vachana, Pavana, Udaya. Fifth row, Arasa, Chattapatta, Madagaja, Madarasa. Last row, Patta Patta, Kalarava, Uradana, Urajana. Next lesson, we are going to study the letters A, I, Ta, La. First word, Ereka. Second, Eta, Aidala, Tabala, Kalasa. Next, we can read these words. First row, ഏക, ഏത, തട, തള, എട. Second row, തനയ, കളസ, ಬಳಪ, തവക, എരക. Third row, എടച്ച, തബല, കടത, കവള, ഏകദള. Last row, പളപള, എടബല, പടവല, തറതറ, തളമള. Choose the letter and complete the word. ಅಕ್ಷರ ಆರಿಸಿ ಪದ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. First word ಎರೆಕ. Second ಏಕದಳ. Third ತಳಮಳ. Fourth word ಕವಳ. ಈ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಂದ ಆರಂಭವಾಗುವ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪದ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. We have to write one word that starts with this letter. A, ಎರೆಕ. ಎ, ಏಕ. ಐ, ಐದಳ. ತ, ತನಯ. ರ, ರಸ. We can read the words. First row, ಏತ, ತಳ, ಎಡ, ಏಕ, ತಡ. Second row, ಬಳಪ, ಕಡಪ, ಚಮಚ, ಜಳಕ, ಕವನ. Third row, ಪವನ, ಐದಳ, ತವಕ, ಕವಳ, ಸರಳ. Last row, ಎಡಬಲ, ಕಳವಳ, ನವರಸ, ತಳಮಳ, ಸಮಬಲ. In this chapter, we are going to study the letters A, E, O, Na. First word, ಆಟ, ಈಚಲ, ಓಟ, ಕಣ. First row, ಆಟ, ಆತ, ಹಣ, ಮಣ, ಓಟ. Second row, ಈತ, ಆಯತ, ಓರಣ, ಓಲಗ, ಆವರಣ. So these are the letters we have studied till now. Ra, ga, sa, da, a. Ja, u, ma, ba, na. Pa, ya, va, ta, cha. La, da, i, u, ka. E, I, ta, la. A, I, O, na. First row words, ಆಟ, ಓಟ, ಊಟ, ಕಣ, ಮಣ. Second row, ಅಗಸ, ಓಲಗ, ಓರಣ, ಕಣಜ, ಕದನ. Third row, ಕವನ, ಚರಣ, ನಮನ, ವದನ, ನಯನ. Last row, ಆಗಮನ, ಊರಜನ, ಕಳವಳ, ತಳಮಳ, ಆವರಣ. Fill in the blanks and complete the word. First column, ಕದನ, ಐದಳ, ಚರಕ, ಜಳಕ, ಕವನ. Second column, ಆಯತ, ಓರಣ, ಆವರಣ, ಆಗಮನ, ತಳಮಳ. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next class. Okay, bye. Thank you.